Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to yet another amazing video. This is Nikkita. I hope you all are doing great. And in today's video, I am going to create this beautiful brown monochromatic look. So basically, this is like a clean girl makeup look, which is in trend right now, but in my style, of course, because आप देखोगे कि पिगमेंटेशन जो होती है जिस स्किन पे उस पे क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप या नो मेकअप मेकअप लुक करना कई बारी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है सो व्हाट हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अ वेरी लेस प्रोडक्ट्स एंड गोइंग टू क्रिएट दिस लुक सो दैट्स इट गाइस सो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे प्लम का फेशियल मिस्ट यूज कर रही हूँ दिस वन इज देयर सीबक थॉर्न facial mist. I really like it, and this actually calms down your skin. The next up I am using is this L'Oreal Gel Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizer. If you have like acne or oily combination skin or extremely oily skin, this one is really good for you guys. ये आपकी स्किन में बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो जाती है एंड स्किन को बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ बनाती है एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि इसमें हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड है विच ऑल्सो एक्ट एज अ गुड स्किन केयर टू. So I'm just patting it the product into my skin. The next up I am using Eba Halal Photo Focus Primer. This is one of my favorite primer for acne prone skin because it smoothen out your skin so beautifully and makeup जो है काफ़ी long lasting हो जाता है. The best part कि अगर आपका preparation बहुत अच्छा है आपके skin का तो आपका makeup बहुत flawless लगेगा. The next up here I am using this Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter. I recently got it from Amazon. This is one of favorite and beautiful highlighter. Trust me when I'm saying this, it means a lot because ये बहुत ही beautifully तरीके से आपकी skin को एक natural glow देता है. If you want, you can mix it with your moisturizer for a day-to-day life and use it. Else आप इसको foundation के नीचे इस तरीके से आप use कर सकते हो. It gives a very nice and natural glow. The next up I am using is Purple Agent 3 concealer palette, and this is one of my favorite concealer palette when it comes to color correction. The concealer blends into your skin so beautifully and it sit on your skin so beautifully, which I really like. So I'm just applying it on all over the area where I have pigmentation, dark circles or acne marks. Once done, I'm just going to blend it with the beauty blender. एंड गाइज जो भी प्रोडक्ट मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ सबके लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. आई बॉट ऑल ऑफ देम फ्रॉम Amazon as this video is sponsored by Amazon as well. The next up I am using these two beautiful foundation and उसमें मैं अपना liquid highlighter mix कर रही हूँ just to get that glass glowing beautiful makeup process. So आप देख सकते हो it glides onto your skin so beautifully. I really like it. Maybelline Fit Me foundation is one of my favorite foundation. So you can mix and match any shade to customize as per your skin tone and just look how beautifully it blend into your skin. So Maybelline Fit Me आप day to day life के लिए भी आप use कर सकते हो, आप professional way में भी आप इसको use कर सकते हो. The next up here I am using this Mars concealer. Again I got it from Amazon. This is a very beautiful concealer, very highly coverage आपको इसमें मिलता है and ज़्यादा crease भी नहीं करता. But recently I am facing bit issues with the packaging. I don't know, the applicator pops out so badly. So I think the packaging is like not too good, but they try to copy LA Girl. Anyhow, I really like the product. So with the help of a concealer brush, I'm just blending the product very nicely into my skin. Makeup is all about blending. If your blending is really very good, you can ace the game. So always give it a little time to your blending. The next up I'm using this Mars loose powder. This is a translucent powder, one of the finest powder which I tried at this budget. I really liked it. So yes, definitely give it a try. So I'm just gonna set entire area where I've applied the concealer. And for rest of my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact and I'm just dusting it off. Once done, I'm just using setting spray. So this one is from Sugar. Beautiful setting spray. It is quite expensive, but yes, it works so beautifully on your skin. The next up, I am using bronzer. For that, I'm using Sivana Color bronzing palette. This one, it has a blush and a highlighter. I don't know if it's still available. ये मेरे पास बस पड़ा हुआ था, so I thought to use it because मैंने ज़्यादा इसको use नहीं किया है. but I really like the contouring shade of this palette, and I'm just contouring the entire face wherever I need a little bit of dimension. The next up, I'm using In Color Blush palette. Again, a very beautiful, highly pigmented palette. I have talked about it a lot in my videos. So definitely buy this one if you are looking for a good palette, which you can definitely use for a eyeshadow as well. The next up, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter. Again, applying it on the highest point. If you want, you can totally skip it and just apply the powder one. But I really like that highlighting effect. That's what I'm doing. The next up, I'm setting it up with the Swiss Beauty powder highlighter, and just look at that glow. The next up, I'm using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil and just giving a little bit dimension on my eyebrows. The next up, I'm using Sugar eyeshadow palette, one of the beautiful palette, और इसके pigments बहुत amazing है, बहुत बहुत beautiful है. So इसमें से मैंने दो matte shades लेके अपनी crease line को अच्छे से define किया है, and with the darkest shade in this palette, मैं अपनी क्रीज लाइन को स्पेसिफाई कर रही हूँ बहुत अच्छे तरीके से विद द हेल्प ऑफ पतले वाला ब्रश. And the next, I'm using this shimmery shade from this palette. It is stunning. I am saying this is stunning. अगर आपको सिर्फ पिगमेंट के लिए, शिमर के लिए अगर आपको ये पैलेट लेना पड़े ना, just go for it. It is so drastically beautiful. I really liked it. So I'm applying it with the help of our fingers, because with the fingers you get, definitely you get a very good pigmentation. So I'm applying it on the entire lid, and then I'm using my Sugar black eyeliner. I don't remember the name, but this is the blackest black eyeliner I have tried. Very very precise, very very good. I only face issue with the applicator because it is a very very thin one, but else I really like the product. It is a very deep jet black eyeliner, so I highly recommend this one. And I'm very bad in applying wing eyeliner. You won't see me like much into wing eyeliner. And then I'm using this Mars Volumizing Mascara, one of my favorite mascara. Again, I have bit issue with the applicator, but I really like the product. Applicator is way, way, way too big for the lower lashes as well and for the upper lashes. But I really like the mascara. It is a very, very nice, and it gives amazing volume. So I really like the mascara. And then I'm just applying the two matte shades which I picked from the same palette, and I'm applying it on my lower lash line, and the same shimmery shade I'm applying in the inner corner, just giving a pop of color, like pop of highlight. And this is it. So next up, I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes liquid lipstick. It is a very stunning shade. I can't tell you how beautiful these shades are. So soon I'm going to share the lip swatches, because right now my lips are burning and they are dried so badly that I could not speak even, so I can't do the lip swatches. But yes guys, this is it in this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Makeover by Nikkita, and don't forget to hit the like button. You can follow me on Instagram if you wish to. I really create good content nowadays. So yes, that's it. I'll see you in my next video.